shit, it was a please, please, the gunshot is set.
Yo, what's up? Once again, I'm back. I told y'all Midnight Elevation is going down. It's 12 o'clock, it's Friday night, and I'm about to go into one of my rants. Like I said, the show is just beginning. My set's not really ready, but we gonna get it ready and get it going, alright? So y'all stay tuned for Midnight Elevation. Alright, like I said, this is just the first episode of Midnight Elevation. First thing, I just want to go right off the top and just say, having children, it's a wonderful thing. It's a beautiful thing. And I have 2 children of my own, 2 girls. What I want to say is that I just noticed that around me, I see a lot of kids, no fathers. I don't see any real dads really in the community. All the communities I've ever lived in lately, as an adult, I don't see too many fathers. I see a lot of mothers. I see a lot of women with children. I see a lot of women with multiple children on MARTA, walking, going to the store, different places, and I don't see a lot of dads. I see a few, and I hats off to you guys. We don't get the credit, and I'll talk about that in another episode. But right now, what I want to talk about is when a woman has a child, we have to do better as a people and stop having these children out of wedlock. I know getting married sounds corny, but our children deserve better. Statistically, it shows that kids that come out of a 2-parent home statistically do better than kids who don't. Having a child by yourself sounds like a good idea. Some of you women feel like you could do it, you know, and I don't criticize you for that, but at the same time, it's not a good idea. You need to be more selective in who you have a child by. You understand? All these guys out here ain't worth having a baby by. Trust me. These guys that I see these women chase after, it's like they can't wait to have these dudes babies, and these dudes are not gonna help you take care of it. Okay? It happens. Look around you. Every day there are women out there who are having these kids, and there is no man in their life. These women are raising these children by themselves. As great a job as they think they're doing, there needs to be a man in their life. A real man. Not a man teaching his son how to be a thug or teaching his kid how to already curse, and he know all the rap songs. He can say every song on the radio. He can imitate his favorite rapper, but he's failing the math CRC test. Even though they was cheating, you got kids still failing this test. Okay? Something's wrong there. And I'm telling you now, they're already counting him as an inmate for a future prison bed at the age right now. If he's failing the math CRC test in the 3rd grade, just chalk him up, because he's not going to amount to much. And if his mom and them stupid, his community is not trying to help this young man, he's doomed. And these are the children that we are producing. We need to stop it. We need to get ourselves together. Fellas, tomorrow, if you have a child out there that you know you have and you're not taking care of him or her, you need to get up off your ass. Stop bullshitting. Stop the bullshit, dog. Go get your kids. Get in your kid's life. Make it real. Say to yourself, look, I'm going to help raise my kid. If you say you're going to be there, be there. If you say, son, I'm picking you up Friday, be there Friday early on time. Moms, don't stop him. Stop playing the game. Stop the bullshit. Let him see his kids. In fact, give him the kids. Some of you women complain about, you don't got this, you don't got that. Well, give your kids to his daddy. But see, some of y'all know that's a game you don't want to play. You playing a game. Some of you girls have kids by a man that you know the kids be better off with the father, but you won't let him have them. He's got to take you to court. Most of the time, these guys won't have time for all that. I don't want to be in court. I don't want to go to the court to see my child. I don't want to go in front of some fucking judge and play the racket game with him over my natural born child. It's my child over there. You understand? These are our children. We got to stop bullshitting. Stop being statistics and being better examples. Fuck the bullshit. Get the bullshit out of here. And you know the bullshit I'm talking about, ladies. You know exactly what I'm talking about. All of yous out there is always playing games. Some of you, 2 people have to raise a child. You understand that? Fellas, dads, moms, don't y'all understand that? Give your child the best. I know a girl told me, oh, she give her child the best. He always be poloed down. This little boy was so fresh. Oh, I seen him. He was clean. And she said I was hating on him because he got on polo and I don't. Okay, I'm hating on a little kid. Okay, he's got polo down. He got his 2 little cute little earrings in his ear. His hair cut up in a little mohawk. Oh, he was cute to death. Had on his little skinny jeans. You know what I'm saying? It's a funny thing. He ain't had no damn tattoos at his little age. But as clean as he was, he failed the math CRCC test. This little boy is no good. He's doomed. I'm sorry. And you can't talk to him because the mom ain't going to let you talk to him. If you ain't talking some thugness, then that they don't. We have our minds are so captivated. Again, we reward ignorance and condemn intelligence. But it takes 2 parents, the mother and the father. Fathers, you got to teach your sons to be men, not thugs. Pull their pants up. Now, I ain't old. I don't have no problem with baggy pants. But when your pants are around your thighs and you can't walk, you gotta hold your pants up with one hand. That is an ugly, disgusting look that we have right now. And that's another show. And we'll talk about that later. But I'm gonna get back on these parents. Mom, dad, moms, you gotta let the dads be dads. And dads, you get the opportunity to have a child. You need to do everything you can to be in that child's life. Look, we all make mistakes. But you could correct them. If you got rims on your car and your child don't have nice shoes, something ain't right. If your child is failing in school and you ain't doing nothing about it, something ain't right. You need to be at them PTA meetings. PTA meetings are looking very thin here, okay? I've gone to some of them and there don't be no parents there. Don't tell me you're working. I know you ain't working. Some of you moms, y'all don't have jobs. So don't give me that bullshit you working. Dads, you in the street bullshitting. You need to be at your child's fucking job. I'm sorry. You need to be at your child's school dealing with his education. His or her education. Stop bullshitting. There ain't nothing in them fucking streets. In this world, the way this world is fucked up, you want to leave your child the chance in this world, you need to get in your child's life and be there. From the bottom to the top, all the way out. If you're not with your mom, set up a schedule. Okay. This is Midnight Elevation. When we come back, we're going to talk about this new fashion, the way the brothers is wearing the pants these days. I don't know. I'm personally not feeling it. All right, we'll talk about that when we come back. This is Midnight Elevation.
Rumors of war.